Hello everybody, today is Friday, April 21st. It's 3:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's about 50 minutes before the regular session close, and we had a fantastic day for the BWT Precision Auto Trader. Before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, you can see my time in sales here. It's now 3:09. The E-mini S&P currently trading at 23.45. First up is the crude oil on a 500 tick line break chart, and this had a fantastic run today, reaching 1740 on two contracts, and there was quite a few winning trades. You can see our equity curve down here as I move to the left. Looks like we had an equity high of a little over 2,000 and settled in at 1740. Just lots of really great trades catching most of these swings. Next up is a chart and a pattern we've seen so many times. This is the DAX on the Super 14 tick, and what we have here is a short and a long hitting its goal of 2,000 for the day, and a market order on the end gave us a couple of ticks slippage. We ended up with 1950. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on a Super 6 tick chart. This begins trading at 12:30 noon. Only trades for a couple of hours, and this did hit its goal, 762.50. Positive slippage at the close as it continues to go short, but we were cut short here as our daily goal is only 750. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on a 6 range chart. First time showing this chart, and it delivered, hit its goal, also set a 750 goal on this. So we had a partial loser on the first trade, and then a short and a long, and this is trading actually 4 contracts, I believe, on this one. But we are scaling out at 4, 6, and 8 ticks with one as a runner, so just a couple of trades and this hit its goal. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on a 2,500 tick line break chart. This had one small loser and 2 winners here, doing 537.50 for the day on 2 contracts. Next up is the E-mini S&P on a Super 6 tick. This is our volatility algorithm, starts trading at the beginning of the session. This did 462.50 on 2 contracts. This is our 987 tick line break chart on the E-mini S&P. We've seen this chart quite a bit recently. This one did 325 for the day on a mixed bag of trades. Looks like our equity high was about 500. Okay, next up is the crude oil on a Super 6 tick. This is trading 2 contracts, and we had a mixture of trades, but finished at 490 for the day. You can see our equity curve on the bottom here. All in all, pretty good performance. Okay, the bonds on a 377 tick line break chart. This one we've seen quite a bit lately, and unfortunately prematurely stopped out here at break even on the first trade. Still doing 562.50 for the day on just 2 contracts. Okay, the Dow E-mini contract doing 360 for the day on 3 contracts. We had a small loser off the open of the session, and then a nice winning trade here, pretty well placed. This is using our line break logic, and you can clearly see the line break signal here to go short along with the red bars, and then we exited near the low of the move. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website at bluewavetrading.com or send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching.